I mean, you never know. The only way you'll know is if you subscribe. So please subscribe to my channel. But should I say that at the beginning of a video? I feel like it puts people off. Like, you want me to subscribe and I really haven't seen what you're about. Maybe I'll put this at the end. Habari zenu? That's aggressive. I've been thinking of a new intro because, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's getting really boring. If I come back to your house every time and you're like, hi Glow, welcome back to my house, I'll be like,
okay, I mean,
okay. But since I can't think of anything else, I'll stick to, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you make this your home because here it's all vibes, just vibes all the time. So think about it, okay? So today I'm going to be doing something that I wish someone had done when I was starting off my natural hair journey. I had a really hard time finding hair products that work, finding hair products that were affordable because I was in school at the time, finding hair products that are available in this country. Because the videos I was watching, either the hair products are not available in Kenya, or if they were extremely expensive, like 2 to 3 times more expensive than 2 to 3 times as I'm going to be sharing the products that I'm currently loving, what I think about them, where you can find them, things like that. For me, the difference between my routine 3 years ago and my routine now is it's a lot cheaper. Because I think when you're starting out, I had so much fire in me. I was like, you know what? I'm going to have all this hair. It's going to grow in a year. It's going to be butt length in 6 months. Shock on me. Shock on me. I wasted so many coins. Anyway, I'm older now. I am wiser. I have way less money now. So for my holy grails, these are products that I swear by. These are products that I will go to war. Okay, I won't go to war for them, but I believe in them. That's the point. I have a video, by the way, I'll link it here, of me using this Ayurvedic products. I get them from Mara Organics. They have a shop in town, but they also have a website, so I think you can check them out. So I use this, their aloe vera, I use their Amla, I use their shikakai, and I use their henna. Of course I use their henna. I hope you can see it. Yeah, so I have a video showing this, but essentially I just mix them with warm water or black tea. Actually, black tea I heard works very well also. Make a paste out of it, put it on your hair after you've washed it, stay a couple of hours with it, and wash it off. And what do you get? I'm assuming your hair grows and retains length and increases in volume. At least that's what it did for me. I started using Ayurvedic hair products in 2020 during the pandemic, and during that period, my hair really grew, and my hair just bloomed. Just. So I'm assuming they had something to do with it. So go try it out. Mara Organics, I'm watching you. Anyway, the second hair product also from Mara Organics is this. Okay, see focus. Wow. No, it just looks like I'm showing you my nails. Okay, it's the shampoo. I don't know why it won't focus. Wow. Anyway, it's an Ayurvedic shampoo bar, cleansing and moisturizing, made with Ayurvedic powders, bentonite clay, and natural oils. Now let me give you a testimony. So I found this. Actually, how I started using this shampoo, I went to a friend of mine and she gave me like half of hers. She told me to try it out. And when I tell you this, it makes your hair so soft. It leaves your hair so moisturized. The slip that it gives you, and then you don't have to use too much. Like rub it a bit on wet hair, and the foam. You know that feeling when you're just massaging your hair? There's foam everywhere. You feel like you're in a shampoo commercial. Those are the vibes. So this, I mean, if I was to use one product for the rest of my life, it will definitely be this. So try it out. It's I think 300. It's definitely less than 500. And as you can see, I've only used half, and I still have more. So value for money. Value for your damn money. Okay. Next product is this. This was also a gift. It's the marula oil and argan oil from, okay, I don't know how to, Halda, I don't know how to pronounce it. But if you've ever gone to, let me show you. Okay, don't focus. But if you've ever gone to Best Lady, they have this everywhere, in all the Best Ladies. I think they're also in supermarkets, I'm not very sure. But it's a curling gel, curling cream. It does something, it makes your hair curly. It's like a curling gel cream thing. And I've only used it once. But the definition that I got, my hair was just flowing. It looked really good. And the best part is your curls hold for very long. And when you want to refresh them, when you use water, it's like the gel is still in your hair, the cream is still in your hair, so you don't have to use more product. What's that? It's economy. It's economy. Yeah. Another product that I will literally. Okay, let me not be dramatic, but I love this. It's the Radiant leave-in conditioner. Okay, why is my camera not focusing? Surely. Okay, I think, but you've seen it. It won't focus, but you've seen it. So I use this as a leave-in after I've washed my hair. When I use it when my hair is wet. Okay, not dripping wet, but your hair has to be not damp, it has to be wet. And this thing moisturizes your hair, it leaves your hair soft, and your hair remains moisturized for days. Because I remember there was a time I was using, should I really be naming brands? Okay, I won't name brands, but I was using a very expensive leave-in conditioner. I think same size, if not smaller, and it was like 4 times the price of this. But they do the same thing. I don't know. That whole vibe of using expensive products, I think I'm beyond that point. Right now, I'm just looking for anything that works. The cheaper, the better. Because no, imagine, no, no. Another product that I love this. I love the smell. Oh, it smells like someone who just whoever made this formula was just happy. They were just having a happy day. They were in a good mood. They were smelling nice. They wanted you to smell nice and your hair to smell nice. This smells like a sunny day. I don't know how else to describe it. It's the Blue Magic Castor Oil Grease. Let me try to focus one more time. Oh, nice. Yeah, finally focused. Okay, which side? Yeah, it's the Blue Magic Originals Castor Oil. I also bought this in 2020. I use this grease when either my hair is really dry, especially if I'm coming out or going into a protective style. After I use the leave-in conditioner, I put this on top. I don't really use oils on my hair. I use oils on my scalp though, but I don't really use oils on my hair because I feel it doesn't really last long. And then when I'm trying to wash, there's so much build-up. I don't feel like my hair is clean, so I use this instead. And you want to use, don't use Kenyan salons amounts. You know how they just scoop a whole bottle and put it on your head? No, you don't want to be frying in the sun. So you use like kidogo amounts, tiny amounts. It works like magic. Every time I want to do a protective style, and I use this on top of the leave-in conditioner when I'm taking out the style, and I stay with my hairstyles for a while, like 6 weeks ish. When you're taking out the protective style, your hair is still moisturized, it's still soft, it's not dried out, it's not falling out, it's not breaking. So it really works. And I got it at Carrefour. I'm sure Jumia has it also, so you can check that out. It's definitely less than 600, which I feel is pretty affordable. So it's a good option, guys. And another option that I'm also loving that you can find, I hope they still have this because I bought this a while back. And if I come out on my protective style and find that this is no longer there, I'll be sad. I'll be sad. It's the Cosmo Hot Oil Hair Treatment Cream, deep conditioning with natural extract, and this is the olive oil version. This is it. Oh, camera is really behaving. It's really behaving. Just look at the focus. Just look at the focus. I mean, if I lied to you that I'm using a professional camera, would you believe me? Just say yes, so that you don't feel bad, even if you don't. But anyway, this is. I use this as a deep conditioner. Again, when I was starting out, my deep conditioner was like 1500 for like half the size. And this was in 2019. 1500 in 2019 was a lot of money. But I bought this for, I think, 600. I've used it for a while. I think I bought it last year. Okay, I won't show you. It has all my hair in there, and I can just guess. So I bought it last year, but it's only like 3/4 ways done, and I wash my hair every 1 to 2 weeks, like continuously. So you can imagine, you don't really need a lot. And the good thing is, it's very thick. I don't know if that works for everyone, but I like very thick conditioners and very thick deep conditioners. You know, I like. No, no, please, my mommy is watching this. No, no. I like conditioners and deep conditioners with thick consistencies because I feel like they moisturize your hair better. And when you wear a shower cape, it just works. I don't know how to describe it, but it's there's something there. Okay, so I'm loving that. Please, if you have also actually for the things that I'm mentioning, like if you have a different option for the conditioner that is around the same price range, if you have another option for grease, if you have another option for leave-in conditioners, please leave them in the comment section down below. At least we can all be budget sisters and brothers, you know, if you roll that way. We can all be budget sisters and have good hair on a budget, okay? Next product. When I tell you, I swear by this gel. When I do a ponytail with this gel, my hair doesn't move. It really doesn't move. But I love this gel. It's the Move It Styling Hair Gel. I think this is, oh no, it's not the Move It. It's the Move It Styling Hair Gel, protein rich, alcohol free, non flaking, fast drying, and ultra hold. This was just made by a genius. Anyway, I use it as a styling gel. I use it either for my edges or when I'm doing a ponytail or when I just want my hair slicked back, like flat, not moving or going anywhere for the whole day. Maybe even till the next day, I don't know. But the gel, because I tried Eco Styler. Eco Styler is good, but it doesn't really last the whole day. I mean, it lays your edge as well, but it won't last the whole day. But this, honestly, for the gods, laid for the gods. And it's a very cheap gel. You can find it anywhere. You can find it in supermarkets. You can find it at Best Lady. I know I'm saying Best Lady a lot. Guys, my father doesn't own Best Lady. I just find them convenient and I find what I'm looking for there. So I shop for a lot of my hair products at Best Lady. So Sina shares. But if you want to give me shares to this lady, you know, I don't mind. I don't mind. Fire. Oh, a disclaimer. This gel is black. I don't know how it will be if it rains and you have this gel. Would it drip black? If any of you gets rained on, if any of you gets rained on since it's raining in Nairobi and you have this gel on, please tell me if it drips so that you don't wear a white dress when I have this gel, okay? Thank you. Next is the ORS Glossing Hair Polisher. I'm really not sure what this is meant to be for, but I use it on crochet hair. I've been using it on this hair that I have actually. And if you haven't watched that video, I'll link it here or here. I'll link it somewhere of me installing this hair. But the reason why I've managed to have this hair for 5 weeks, I know I've cut it. It was super long. It says the hair polisher enhances your hair with incredible shine, protects it from frizz, withstands humidity, while leaving your look with a healthy shine. Okay, what it's been doing for me is definitely giving my hair a lot of shine, taming frizz, because for some reason crochet hair is always frizzy. I don't get it. But it helps me to tame frizz for sure. My hair lays down flat. Okay, not flat. My hair lays down flat and it gives it a bit more shine so that, you know, I'm not looking crazy in these streets. But it's very nice. I know they have a heat protectant. I don't have a heat protectant and I've been straightening my hair. Is that good? No. Will I continue doing it? Probably. But I'm going to buy a heat protectant. I know they have one. I just haven't gotten my hands on it. But once I undo this hair and I want to straighten my hair, I'm going to use a heat protectant because I need to live by the gospel that I'm preaching, okay? Yeah. Next is the Amla, the bur Amla hair oil. Makes your hair long, strong, and lustrous. Wow. This is it. My camera was behaving a while back, but anyway, I'm sure you've seen this somewhere. And you know for a fact, if a hair product has an Indian woman with long hair, it's gospel truth. I recently bought this and I mixed it in with my oil mixture. I don't think I've used it for long enough to tell you how well it works, but it was working for me before, so I'm guessing it still does the job. It's very good, it's very nice. Next up is this top class Jamaican with fenugreek black castor oil. Replenish and rejuvenate, 100% original, no salt added. Anyways, Jamaican black castor oil. Where it won't focus. This is Jamaican black castor oil. Usually I use the Sunny Isle one or the mango and lime one, but I couldn't find it. And the vendors I was finding on Jumia was selling it at like 2,500, 3K, and I know that it's like 1,500. Is it even 1,500? I think it's actually less than that. And me as Glow, I'm not going to buy something twice the price when I know I can find it for cheaper. No, that's not how my mama raised me. That's not who I am, okay? So because I couldn't find that specific brand, I decided to try this one. Guess why I got it? Yeah, this lady again. But I believe in the gospel of black castor oil. Jamaican black castor oil works. It performs miracles, honestly. It works like magic. It is magic. It feels like magic. I think it also smells like magic. Okay, it doesn't smell like magic, but it does the job. I really like Jamaican black castor oil. If you watched my previous video, you know that during my hair journey, there was a point I was struggling with dead edges, and even now, it's not really where I want it to be. I don't think I'll ever have super full edges, and I've made peace with that. If you watch that video, you know nilikuwa pabaya. My situation was much worse than it is now. So I'm thanking God for Jamaican black castor oil. It's really good. It works. It grows back your edges. It increases the volume of your hair. It's just hair gold. And for the last product, don't even have any other product. Wow, that's it. That was actually much shorter than I expected. But those are the products that I'm using. Sometimes I add other products and eliminate others just to try them out, just to switch it up to see what works better, what doesn't work. And actually, in my oil mix, I use this Jamaican black castor oil. I use this Amla. I have another oil from my organics. Let me find it. I have an Ayurvedic oil mix. I think that's what it's called, something of the sort. And I mix it in with the Amla oil and the Jamaican black castor oil. And then just to lighten things up, I use this Alpur pure coconut oil. This is the one. Okay, my camera just said not today. Wow, it won't focus, but this bottle looks very familiar. It's everywhere. But anyway, I think that's it. That's all that I'm using currently. I've shown you my shampoo, my deep conditioner, my leave-in conditioner, my oils, my grease, the Ayurvedic products that I use, and also aloe vera. But I'm not sure if that's a product, so I wasn't sure if I was going to show it in this video. But you already know. I'm going to link that video here. And that's it. So if you're starting out in your hair journey, or if you've already started and you're not very sure which products to use, which products work, I'm not saying these products will all work for you, and I'm not saying other products don't work. I use other products, but I was just showing you what I have at the moment. So if you're starting out and you're wondering what can I do, I think this is a good place to start. It's workable, and then you build your routine. You build your routine from there. If you have any questions, the comment section, make the comment section your friend. Surely, don't go asking, oh, do you know? Oh, what do we do? Just ask in the comment section, and I will answer. If you have any suggestions, if you have any products that you think work very well, leave it in the comment section for me, for any other person that might read it, because this hair journey, instead of spending so much money to buy products that obviously doesn't work, it's easier to find people that have used the product, find people that are using a product currently and it's working for them. It's much easier. You get to save your money, you get to save your time, you get to save your hair. For me, that sounds like a win-win situation, so why not? Anyway, that's it for me, guys. If you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up. If you get to this point of the video, it's just something. It's just something. Please subscribe to my channel. It's free. It takes seconds. It helps me a lot. So yeah, that's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.